Everyone tells you, save money. Your parents, your teachers, your boss. But what if I told you, saving money is the slowest way to become poor? The real trap isn't spending, it's saving blindly. Let me explain. When you put $100 in your bank, you feel secure. But in 1 year, that same $100 is worth $90, maybe less. Why? Inflation. Your money is losing value while you think you're saving it. In the year 2000, $100 could fill your entire grocery cart. Today, that same $100 gives you barely half. The world changed, but your saving habits didn't. So when your money is just sitting in a bank, it's not growing. It's actually dying. Quietly, silently, like water evaporating from a glass. So why do the rich get richer? Because they don't save like you. They don't keep money. They use it. They invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, not to gamble, but to grow. Because they know money must move or it dies. Meanwhile, the average person keeps saving, wishing, dreaming, hoping one day it'll be enough. It rarely is. Saving is safe, but safety doesn't build wealth. Risk does. Investing is not about luck. It's about learning, starting small and growing slowly. You don't need millions to start. You need mindset. So next time someone says, save your money, smile and say, I'd rather grow it. Imagine planting a seed and never watering it. Would it grow? Never. Money is the same. It needs attention, learning and action. Every dollar you save and don't invest is like a soldier who never goes to battle. It just sits, useless. The poor think, save now, enjoy later. But the rich think, grow now and forever. People wait for the right time to invest. Truth is, the right time was yesterday, and the second best time is today. Don't be afraid of small returns. Be afraid of no returns at all. Most people retire poor not because they didn't work, but because they never made money work for them. Money saved equals safety. Money invested equals freedom. Warren Buffett didn't get rich by saving. He got rich by investing smart and consistently. You can too. Don't save money to feel good. Grow money to live well. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you do with what you make. That's how wealth is built.